Hi everybody, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be grilling salmon with my delicious, yummy lime butter sauce. So, first things first, we want the zest of 1 lime. I think that's a good amount. Ooh, lime zest, so good. Okay, now we've got our salmon. We're just gonna get it ready for grilling. I have my grill prepped. It's at like a medium-high heat. Oh yeah, look at this. Hello, little salmon. I'm just gonna put some olive oil on it.
We are just salting our salmon. It is the most basic thing ever, and now I'm adding pepper. Big time here, people. We are big time. Okay, so we're gonna grill this. I'm gonna grill it for about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna watch it until it's done. Then we'll add the lime butter and some lime zest. So I'm gonna head out to my grill. We are gonna grill this salmon. It's gonna be so good. Okay, so here we go. We're just gonna get it on the grill. If you're a person at home and you don't love grilling, if I can do it, you can do it, okay? Let's check the salmon. I think it's cooked. Woo! Looks very happy, actually. Very happy. Let's see. Flip this guy. I think we're in a good place. Cooked to perfection. I've got my lime butter and my lime zest. And it's just gonna melt all over it. And let me tell you, the deliciousness just doesn't end. Then you just put a little bit of lime zest on the top. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Have a healthy day.